So here we go, 1975 2CV. Clutch release bearing is obviously given up. Well, we think it's that, but excuse the dog in the way. Here we go.
Clutch in.
Clutch going in. Yeah, that's not a good sign. I'd actually stop it about that point.
Clutch in a little bit.
Yeah, no, not good. Let's turn it off and get that engine out.
I don't even want to put it into gear.
No, really stop. Turn it off. All right, we'll start dismantling the car and we'll take photos and videos as we progress. A great way to spend a Saturday. Yay!
Starting the long job and big job of removing this engine now.
So here we go.
Let me back it up a bit more.
Got the engine out.
We've got it. Come and have a look in here at the spline, Mark.
I will.
There's that bearing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
And we've got it. I don't want to roll up the edge here.
You caught on the bonnet catch.
Am I?
Yeah. Just swing it around it. There you go.
Okay.
There we have a 2CV engine with heating system.
29 brake horses.
You're right, it is the 3-finger clutch.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Looks a bit rooted too.
Geez, you can see the wearing. It's not too badly worn on those.
No.
On the fingers.
No, here's
Look how dry it is.
Well, you want the clutch to be quite dry, don't you?
But there should be a little
But
bit.
next time we'll oil the clutch up. Last longer. Move your head. There's the... So this is what we think's causing the... Oh yeah.
It's noisy. It'll just come off.
Yeah, okay, that's juggered.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Cool bananas.
All right.
Self.
Yeah, finding bits of metal.
Yeah, all inside this bell housing, all at the bottom.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Lots of it too. Wonder what that's come off. I hope it's come off the bearing and not something else.
Yeah, me too.
Go and move the clutch pedal. Yeah, all right. Okay, cool.